How else do we fix number theory? Since an accumulation of tenths, 0.1, to our limit to derive a positive number, a whole number, we are off by a tenth for every 10 that we calculate. So the only way other than my method that I can figure out so far is that for every 10th decimal place, you take that next division and multiply that by 10. So there would be 10.1s, there would be 100.01s, and 1,000.001s. Now that sounds weird, right? What are you saying? Obviously there is 100.01s. No, I mean 100 before you get to 0.1 to 0.2. So it'd be there'd be 100 divisions of hundredths and 1,000 divisions of thousands. And that's another way to fix it before you get to 1. But that compiles endlessly, and we don't have enough symbols for that. It would take, at 1,000, you would have 1,000 different symbols for numbers. And then at 1,000,000, you'd have, a million different symbols for millions just to get to a tick of 100,000th. So, which way is better? Mine's way simpler. Okay, the initial one where you just have 1 1 instead of 1 0. But in the converse, it's maddening to think about. But that is the best way to conceptualize why we have infinite numbers, is because of that. So for every 10th we calculate, we're adding that. So for every 100th, we're multiplying that by 10. So then you have, like I said, there's 10.1s, 10 tenths. Now all of a sudden there's 100 100ths just to get to another 10th. Now there's 1,000 1,000ths just to get to another 100th, which would be 0.02, right? From 0.01. So if you have 0.011, then that has to go up 1,000 divisions just to get 0.02.